guys, welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen reset part 2 video. I'm going to be tackling like the whole island section in my kitchen. I've got 6 set of drawers, and then I've got a cupboard. I need to take everything out, give the drawers a clean, and put everything back and organize and just make it look a bit neater and more functional, I will say. It is leading up to Christmas now, so I thought this would be the perfect time to do this and get, you know, organized and know what's in my kitchen. So that's what I'm doing today. I hope you like this video. Thank you for being here and watching. So let's get into cleaning. I filmed it before, so this is the drawer done. Yay! And I'm just going to take some of the spices out and check the expiry and what needs a top up, and like mustard seeds are empty, things like that. And I'll just give the bottom a wipe. If you can see, like some of the spices have spilled out, so I'm going to clean that up quickly. Whoop. That is my spice drawer done. It is looking nice and neat and organized. As much as I would love to one day have like all the aesthetic jars and the labels, this is functional, it works. I'm not going to mess with it, and one day eventually I'll get around to having those aesthetic spice drawers, but for now this makes me happy. So yeah, the last drawer to tackle now is this drawer that has all like my bacon and the kids bottles and stuff. So I'm going to sort that out and then we'll be done with this whole section. That is now all the cupboards done. Yay, looking so much neater, and anything that doesn't belong here I've taken out. Pots are looking good. Spice drawer, yay. Not aesthetic but functional, guys. Cups are all sorted and then done. So baby's now awake. I'm gonna go, but thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.